Hi folks, this is Vicki at patternprincess.com. Today I want to show you how to work an extended single crochet. It's kind of like a double crochet, but not really. It's not quite as tall, and it lays a little bit flatter than a double crochet would be. This is how it looks. This is a few rows, but I'm gonna show you how it's done here. And this is how I do my first stitch of the extended single crochet. To be honest, I'm not sure if other folks do it this way, but I like how it looks. So I go through the very first stitch, yarn over, grab my yarn, and then I go through one loop and the next loop. So I do the extended single crochet on all of the stitches, including that very first one when I'm working it. And then the next one, I go through the loops, grab the yarn, just like you would a regular single crochet, but now I yarn over and go through one loop, and yarn over and go through the second loop. And again, the next stitch, yarn over, and then I go through one loop and the next. So it's kind of like a double crochet, but you're really only going through one loop and you're not putting a loop on the hook before you insert the hook. Because a double crochet, right, you go this way and then you insert the hook. But nope, we're just going to put the hook through, grab the yarn, go through one loop, go through the next loop. So it's a very simple crochet stitch. Sometimes I want to put the loop on the hook first because it feels like I should be doing a double crochet. And then, oopsie, I just did that again. I just did it myself. And I'm going to end it off here, and you can see how that looks. Isn't that a nice stitch? I think that this would really be pretty for a blanket or anything that you wanted like a little bit closer flat stitch. And it gives you a little bit of height to it as well versus just a single crochet. So I went through the very first loop there, yarned over, going to go through one loop, yarn over, through one loop, and then I continue on. And that way, by doing it that way, all of my stitches, including my very first loops that I'm working on, it looks the same. And so you can see, look at how fast this goes along. So imagine if you were doing a blanket or something in this, how fast this would work through. And I had to get more yarn there. I'm sorry about that. And I have the last stitch here. And then I'm going to lay this flat so you can see it. Isn't that nice? Isn't that a lovely stitch? And see how the edges, do you see how the edges look very nice and even? And this was my beginning row, and even my beginning row looks nice with it. It doesn't seem to be pulling or anything. So I haven't had a project I'm going to use this with yet, but I think I'm going to find a project soon. And then I'll be able to share that video with you so that you can see what I've made with it. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that this helps you do the extended single crochet.